A very good morning to you, my dear lovely students. In English class, our today's topic is ending sound. What is the meaning of ending sound? Ending sound, the last sound of any word. We have already done the first sound, like apple, a. We have done the first sound. Now today we are doing the last sound, means the ending sound. I am giving you some examples, okay, which help you to understand this. So, what is this, children? This is the picture of a hand. हैंड ह फर्स्ट साउंड है इसकी और डी इसकी लास्ट साउंड है. तो लास्ट साउंड क्या हुई हमारी? ड. है ड, हैंड. तो क्या हुई लास्ट साउंड? नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज अ पेन. PEN, पेन. पेन. प इसकी फर्स्ट साउंड है. न इसकी लास्ट साउंड है. न पेन. प न लास्ट साउंड है न. दिस इज अ मास्क. क लास्ट में कौन सी साउंड आ रही है? क की साउंड. मास्क. मास्क. म फर्स्ट साउंड आ रही है. मास्क. क इसकी लास्ट साउंड आ रही है. म है फर्स्ट साउंड, क है लास्ट साउंड. लास्ट वर्ड देखना है हमने कौन सी साउंड आ रही है. तो लास्ट साउंड कौन सी है? क. Children, I am going to give you some more examples. This is the picture of a hat. First sound h, है t. Last sound is t. T. Hat. T. Okay, this is the picture of a fan. F, n. You have to identify only the last sound, जिसके बाद कोई sound नहीं होती है. Fan. N is the last sound. Now this is the picture of a cup. K. C. P. P. Cup. So the last sound is P. Jet. J. T. Last sound is T. T. Okay. Like this, you have to identify some more pictures. Now what is the girl doing? She is running. Run. R. N. Run. R first sound and N last sound. Run. Okay. Now this is pen. P. N. P. N. N. Pen. Now see children, this is a doll. D. L. L. What is the last sound? L. L. Now this is a dog. D for dog and last sound is dog. G. Children, this need more and more practice. What is your homework? Your today's homework is just identify the first sound and last sound of your name. Like your name is Angel. Angel. L. Last sound क्या आ रही है? L. Like Priyal. P. First sound है. Priyal. L. Last sound है. Okay. Kanav. K. Nav. V. Last sound है. Kanav. Like this, go to your kitchen or go to your rooms, find out some objects and try to identify their last sound. Like door. What is the last sound? Door. Ra. Like you have a toy car. Car. What is the last sound? Car. Ra. Like this, practice more and more. Thank you. Have a good day.